It's a lovely shot. That's just dead sat up. Wow. Straight out of his head. Don't know what's going on. Lovely shot. Done. Wow. That was a straight through the neck, I think. And it just planted it straight on its arse. And it just sat there, its head down, just bleeding out. With a JSB Mark II, 33.95 grain at 912 feet per second. And that's with the new M3 that I've just got. Yeah, I spent a bit of time tuning it. It came out the box at about 870, 860, which is perfect speed really, so kudos to FX. It was nicely tuned out the box really. At 100 it was just breaking up a little bit on the groups. Played with the, obviously maxed the hammer, up the reg a little bit at a time. I think I settled on 115 reg on 16 and just over 4. And on the front valve, if I went below 4 at 100, the groups opened up. I was almost just not liking it. Opened just past 4, just opened a bit at a time. Settled on 918 feet per second, and yeah, it's just drills at 100, and that was only at 80 meters, but nice shot that, straight through. So yeah, I've had 3 so far since I got here, and I think the disturbance has sent the crows absolutely berserk. I've had a crow, 2 pigeons. I've been here, what, 20 minutes? So yeah, it's alright. Got a few hours after work, sun shining. My man flu is nearly gone. I got very red, sore, big beak from all the tissues, but I'm back. I'm feeling good and I'm very happy to be out shooting again. Yeah, fingers crossed we can get some more, but just got laid down behind this trailer, bit of cover. Even with a shiny dome, the pigeons like landed on that roof that you just saw me took that one off, so they'll do a circle and they'll be back at some point, and even the crows will get back over on their nests over there. So yeah, it's looking good. Lovely shot. Another one down, 94 meters. There's another one down, 94 metres. Right, just spun round, crows had settled and just took two off the top of the tree at 94 metres. Slight bit of left to right breeze. I'm actually a bit shaded and concealed by this trailer, so even though I can feel the breeze, I know it's a bit stronger than what it is. So that bit of wind just helped. And yeah, straight down. That's two more for the bag tonight, and a happy farmer. Because he messaged me today and said, look, they're waiting for you. They're going mental. So excuse me. So I've come down here for a few hours and yeah, really enjoying myself with this M3. Brilliant. Pellets, just not to be forgotten. Calm days, the .25 cal with JSB Mark IIs can't be beaten, and it goes back to my roots really. When I first got an FAC, it was a 2.5. If any of you follow me on YouTube, you'll see my early footage was all 2.5 JSBs, and it's nice to be back on them, although holding for that wind a bit more and dialing a lot more than you would for the range, but God, they hit just as hard and it's just as much fun as well. Right, I'm going to put the phone down and try and get some more. Get this coat off. Beautiful shot. Lovely. 97 metres that one. Bit left to right. Straight down. There's a bit of a wait there for another one to come, but presented himself in a nice little gap in between two branches. It's 98 metres that one. And I don't know if you can hear them above me, just flocking still. But yeah, bit left to right and straight down again. Good thing about shooting pellets, it's such a low power tune. The gun's not violent, you're not stressing it, it's not lost its tune, it's just working so easily and efficiently. It's a joy to shoot really. Just a click and a straight down. So yeah, we're doing well. We're only going to have another 45 minutes and I've got to be back. I like to get my kids to bed. It's my turn tonight for Ryan to have a little story, so I don't like missing it. It's one of the joys of not working away, so I've got to cherish the moments. But yeah, loving this gun, loving these pellets. It's a refreshing change. No. Lovely. Straight down, 94 metres. Wow. Turn my attention to the crows behind me. But crows aren't stupid. And they're just not landing, they're circling. I'm not really hiding, I've just used tonight as a couple of hours to mooch about and just a bit of opportunity shooting really. Spun round, there's one on the corner of the roof at 94 metres and just about to put one in between his shoulder blades where he turned round and I thought it was going to go. Give him a slight bit of right to left, it will look like left to right on the GoPro, and yeah, straight in the kill zone, straight down in the back of the building. So there's another one. We're not missed yet, so yeah, really happy with this M3, doing the biz. Headshot here. 80 metres. I think that was a headshot. Can't get high enough. Try and support this a little bit. Support this with my fist under the bipod. Lovely shot. 100 metres that one. From a very unstable position. 6.5, 36. Strong left to right.